Hintay lang. Wait lang. 1, 2. Okay. Done. This is American Avenue. It's a long street that can satisfy you for a night. All the things that you're looking for are available here, from restaurants, cafes, souvenirs, fast foods, and even street foods. It offers a lot. I just took off and wandered around. I can see a lot of tourists as well. It has something that will call your attention. It is so good. Just by walking around, you will be mesmerized with all the things that you can see on the streets. Shop after shop, buildings after buildings, and the street sounds coming from the stores gives an accent to your mood. This place reminds me of Tahliya Street in Riyadh. It has almost the same idea of construction.
And because of them, I was able to bump to their cafe, the 10-11 lunch. Welcome to 10-11!
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending. Nothing's ever broken, and I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending. We will live the lives, we will live the lives, live the lives, we will live the lives in the fast lane. We will live the lives, we will live the lives, live the lives, we will live the lives in the fast lane.
Smile muna. We are on vlog. Hi! Anong pangalan ng vlog niyo po? Anong pangalan ng vlog niyo po?
Si Pontecha.
Ay, ano